What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Blue the Pitbull. My name is Chosen. Do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe. Today we have an interesting video again. So if you come over here, today's video is going to be based on a feeding video. As you can see from right here, I have my props already set up. So I'm going to be feeding my dog chicken wings and also chicken breasts cut up in strips with dog food on top, just to give her the extra vitamins and minerals. But it's not just gonna be mixed all into one. I'm actually gonna separate them into two different bowls, and I'm gonna see which one she eats first. Is it the chicken wings or is it the chicken breast? So just in case you're wondering which one your dogs would prefer, and instead of going to buy it and your dog do not eat it, you could probably look at this video and just implement it into your own life. So this is right here, Blue, the pit bull. She's calm right now because she's hungry. But today we're gonna see. Alright, so I'm cutting up my meat. First meat I'm gonna cut up is the chicken breast. I'm gonna take out four strips, and next I'm gonna be cutting up the chicken wings. And I'm also gonna take out four too. Well, since these kind of bigger, I'm gonna take out three. So I'm also sprinkle puppy chow. These right here, you can buy this at Dollar Tree or any nearby tractor supply store, even a Walmart. But this right here, I bought this right here at Dollar Tree for $1. And this meat right here for the chicken wings, it was actually $6 at Save-A-Lot. And this was $2 also at Save-A-Lot. So I'm gonna sprinkle the dog food, puppy chow on top. I don't usually put a lot of dog food because I know I keep my dogs strictly on a raw diet only, but I educated myself a little bit and I realized that dog food do contain some type of minerals and nutrition that raw dog food really can't give them. So usually I'll put dine to help with the weight gain, but because I'm feeding her two different types of dog food, I don't want to waste a dime because I don't know which one she's gonna eat yet. She might eat both, she might not. Alright, so either way, I'm done with the package, so I put it to the side. So I have the box so you guys can tell the difference. This right here is with the chicken breast. This right here is with the chicken wings. So I'm gonna put it into her cage because she tends to carry the bones around, and I do not want to deal with that. Come on, Blue. Alright, so I'm gonna put her in her cage. Come on, in. Alright, so that was the chicken breast, and this is the chicken. Just gonna watch which one she goes to first. Alright, so at first she went towards the chicken breast, but I guess she prefer the chicken wings a little bit better. Actually, I'm real surprised. I thought she was gonna go after the chicken breast first because of how soft it is and it's cut into strips, but I guess she preferred the bones in the chicken wings. Alright, so far she's on her second chicken wing. Okay, now she's going to the chicken breast. So she ate one chicken wing so far. And she was gonna start on her second. Okay, she's pulling out the third one now. Okay. Back to the second one. So far it's 2 chicken wings and 0 chicken breasts. And I think the reason why she eating the chicken wings more than the chicken breasts is because of the bones. Maybe she like chewing the bones. Or it could be simply that the chicken tastes better. So right now she only have 1 chicken wing left. And now she's going after a chicken breast. So far she finished the chicken wings less than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Alright, so that's about it. I don't think she could take no more. She ate her fill. So far, put this right back here. So far it was 3 chicken wings and 4 chicken breasts. Now there's only 1 chicken wings left and 3 chicken breasts. So far it looks like she liked the chicken wings better than the chicken breasts. And she also ate some dog food too. So the chicken wings won today so far, but stay tuned for my other video. I'm going to compare the chicken breast to something else, or maybe the chicken wings to something else. You guys are going to see which one she prefer. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe to the channel, because I'm only going to come back with more fire content. So go ahead and join the family and help this channel get to 100 subscribers. Don't do it for me, do it for Blue.